Aging. It's something that we all have to face at some point in our lives. For some, it's a daunting prospect, a reminder of our mortality. But I see it as an opportunity to grow, to become stronger and master my body and mind. Men fear aging, and for good reason. As we grow older, our bodies start to slow down. Our strength and ability decline, and we become more susceptible to illness and injury. But the fear of aging can hold us back from living our best lives. It can make us feel powerless, like we're on a path toward decline and decay. And that's a dangerous mindset to have. As men, it's natural to feel invincible. When you're young, you think you can take on anything that life throws your way. I have felt it too, but as I aged, I started to worry that I was past my prime and I would never be as strong or agile as I was in my youth, and that fear started to hold me back. However, as an alpha male, life has made me realize I couldn't let fear of aging hold me back. I had to embrace my age and use it to my advantage. I had to focus on my experience, knowledge, and mental strength, and I've learned that age doesn't have to be a barrier. With the right mindset and training, we can continue growing and improving, regardless of age. We can still be powerful, yet agile, and still be unbeatable. So mortal, here are 5 tips for mastering aging. Listen carefully and be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Positive mindset. I've lived for over 50 years, and I feel as young and energetic as ever. And I believe a big part of that is due to my positive mindset. It's no secret that our thoughts and beliefs greatly impact our lives. And when it comes to aging, having a positive mindset is absolutely essential. Research has shown that people who approach aging with a positive attitude tend to live longer, healthier lives. An old grizzly bear will attack and defend its territory regardless of whether it's old or young. To him, age isn't an obstacle. In his mind, he can hurt. Therefore, you mortals should do the same. If you want to master aging, start by embracing the idea that age is just a number, and that you can continue to learn, grow, and achieve new things at any stage of life. A little wisdom goes a long way, so let me tell you, it's natural to push your body to its limits, but as the days turned into weeks, and the weeks turned into months, you will realize that a positive mindset will be just as important as physical strength. You can't ace anything after 30 or 50, or even 20, if you think you're too old to start something. In reality, you were never old, and only when you realize this, only then will you master aging. Stay active. One of the essential keys to mastering aging is to stay active. Alpha males will always prioritize gym time, a walk in the park, or cycling over anything else, because they know staying active will take them a long way and help them fight their demons and fears of aging like a weak old man. Talk about the importance of staying active and how regular exercise can help keep you physically and mentally fit as you age. But staying active isn't just about becoming stronger. It's about staying physically and mentally fit as you age. Regular exercise helps you keep your body in shape, maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and joint health. And it's not just physical benefits. Staying active also helps keep your mind sharp and focused, reducing the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Also, staying active helps boost your mood and overall well-being, reducing stress and anxiety. And of course, there's the competitive aspect. Whether it's sparring with a rifle or pushing yourself to beat your own personal best, staying active can be a great way to challenge yourself and stay motivated. Take care of your health. You may be hitting the gym every day, crushing your PRs, and eating clean, but if you're not getting regular checkups or screenings, you're missing out on a crucial aspect of your fitness journey. As men, we overlook our health, thinking we're unstoppable and nothing can touch us. But the truth is, health problems can arise anytime, and catching them early can make all the difference in the world. That's why scheduling regular checkups with your doctor at least once a year is essential to ensure everything is in order. During these checkups, your doctor will perform various screenings and tests to detect potential health issues. These tests can include blood pressure checks, cholesterol level tests, and even cancer screenings. Yes, cancer screenings. Prostate cancer can be a real concern for men, and it's vital to get screened for it regularly, especially when you're over 50. Your doctor can advise you on various lifestyle changes and habits that you can adopt to stay healthy and fit, from diet and exercise to quitting smoking and reducing alcohol intake. There are many things that you can do to improve your health and avoid serious health problems. Stay connected. Have you ever wondered why people like The Rock and Hugh Jackman look so young despite being over 30? Well, for once, look at Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. He may be a famous actor and wrestler, yet he always makes time for his family and friends. He's constantly sharing pictures of himself and his loved ones on social media, showing how important they are to him. As for Hugh Jackman, he's not just an amazing actor, but he is also an avid social butterfly. He's known for his great sense of humor and ability to connect with people instantly. He even has a close-knit group of friends he's known for decades. What sets these guys apart from us? Despite being ripped and toned up, they have strong social connections that help them master aging. You can learn from these guys. Having strong relationships with family and friends can do wonders for our well-being. It helps us feel young and engaged in life, positively impacting our overall health. Social connections can help reduce stress, boost our mood, and provide a sense of purpose and belonging. Remember, it's not about the number of people in our lives, but the quality of connections that we have. Even one or two close friends or family members can make a significant difference in our lives. Eat well. Finally, eating well can do wonders for your body. Yeah, protein shakes can help you grow muscles and all, but to become truly healthy and age like fine wine, you have to go grab the right nutrients for your body. Red meat, greens, fruits, and fish will do wonders for your body. Stay away from sodas and too much alcohol. They will kick up fat in your system instead. Go for fruit juices that are rich in vitamins. If you eat well, no matter what age you get to, you will be healthy and energetic. Wrapping up. Well, mortals, if you really want to flex at 50, you've got to keep adopting a positive mindset, make some friends, eat healthy, and take care of your health. Doing all of these will truly make you invincible at any number. Interested? Let me know in the comments below. Now get to work!